Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage videos from people you may follow. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on notifications here. You can see here videos from people you may know. By turning it on, you will get videos. By turning it off, you will not get videos. If you are not interested, turn it off. By turning it on, this color will appear here and this color by turning off. In this way, by turning it on and off, you can manage your videos from people you may follow on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.